Morning everybody. I had somebody reach out to me requesting a wall-mounted squirrel doing the double bird flip. So I'm gonna get this guy skinned and we'll put it all together. Okay, so I got the squirrel skinned, fleshed, all wired up, boraxed, ready to go on the form. I got the form built here. This is gonna be like a half mount, half a squirrel. It's going to be attached to a plaque that'll go onto the wall. So get this guy put together. Okay, so do the actual flipping the bird part now. Bend these here. It's gonna look something like this on the wall. Cut off the extra wire there. Something like that. So we're going to use a super glue. And basically super glue the palm. And so the tweezers, you pull down on the fingers, put them into that super glue. Trying your best not to super glue yourself to the squirrel. So we'll get him mounted onto the plaque, and we can do some fine adjustments on him, and then he'll just sit in front of the fan and dry.